All right, guys, my name is Bernard. It's my first ever unboxing, and don't judge me. I'm not professional, but I do love to train. I have a lot of firearms, and I also, I do have a lot of firearms. I collect them, but I also train them. But anyways, this is my first unboxing, so here we go. All right. Okay, pretty cool case. Let's open this one. What's in here? I think, here we go, yeah. This is the quality control. Look at that. Lock, manual, typical stuff. It's pretty cool, quality control. And then the firearm is right here. Bam. Beautiful. Very beautiful gun. And so I got the 4-inch because obviously a lot of you probably already know it's the 4.5 is not out yet, but anyways, I prefer the 4 because I'm going to carry it so inside the waistband, so this is actually not bad. So anyways, so 9mm trigger is really nice. Safety check, empty. Okay, trigger, watch this. Oh, so smooth. Very nice. Reset. Oh, look at that. Anyways, all right. What else? Oh yeah, new to Staccato is. Oh yeah, this is the Staccato P4 HD, and new to this Staccato or for Staccato is no grip safety. Right, and here we go, and then it comes with, comes with 4 mags. Yep. Beautiful. Trigger again, watch this. Reset. Oh, so nice. Okay. And another thing that's new for Staccato is now you can use a Glock magazines or Glock magazines. All right, so see, watch, it fits really good. Look at that. So yeah, it's kind of cool because if you have a lot of Glock magazines, so this is going to be really good because that means you have a lot of stuff lying around you can use it for your Staccato. All right. Anyways, I think that's all I want to talk about today. There's a lot of YouTubes out there that talks about it in more detail, but I just wanted to kind of go over my experience unboxing this Staccato, my first ever 2011. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.